I'm Ann Armstrong, DISA historian. In March of 2011, Japan suffered a catastrophic tsunami caused by an 8.9 earthquake destroying critical safety systems in the Fukushima nuclear power plant. Because of the massive destruction, communications resources across the Pacific Rim were under direct threat. Along with U.S. Pacific Command, the Joint Chiefs of Staff, and U.S. Forces Korea, DISA restored vital communications within 24 hours. Within 6 days, 100% of bandwidth was returned to U.S. Forces Korea. Following the catastrophe, DISA worked with U.S. Pacific Command to plan the most robust telecommunications infrastructure in history to prevent such disruptions in the future and to support the warfighter in high-threat environments.